Good morning and happy June 1st. I just wanted to do an update. We are now at 8 weeks with our little garden. We have now moved it outside into this bed that I purchased from Sam's Club. It actually has a nice little water drain right here to let the water out from the rain, and also this gauges the water level to let me know when I need to water it. So here we go. This overflow of the tomatoes. Here is our zucchini. As you can see, we have all these flowers coming up. We got more buds, so I'm excited for my zucchini. I've never grown spinach before, and you can see that this is now getting ready. Can't wait to watch it. And we have some jalapenos. We have some bell peppers and more Roma tomatoes. So stay tuned, and again, I can post this. This is from Sam's Club. Very easy to put together with a shelf that's holding my extra dirt. With that said, make it a great day.